Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a password from a password protected file. Let's suppose we have a PDF file which is protected by a password. Now we wanted to share that file or we wanted to save that file without that password, or simply we want to remove that password. So how we can do that? So for an example, let's see, I have a PDF file over here. As you can see, if I open it, okay, as you can see, it's asking password required. This document is password protected. Please enter the password. And when I put the password, it will open. Okay, this is a Cisco PDF file that I just downloaded for to make this video. So now what we are going to do, we are going to remove the password from it. So let me show you again. Like I entered the password. Okay, if I wanted to open this with the wrong password, it will not going to open. Let's say I'm typing anything and it's saying that incorrect password, right? So we are going to put the correct password first. It will open. Now to remove the password, what we have to do is simply press control key along with uh, P. So we are going to print this. So press control P, then it will load the file over here. It's loading the preview, as you can see. Now over here, make sure you selected this option, save as PDF. So I'm going to do that. You can also select the pages. Let's suppose you wanted to select the all the pages, or like odd pages only, even pages only, custom. You can select the page per sheet over here. So I'm going to save it the entire file, so I'm going to leave it like that. So now save. Now we are asked, the system is asking us where you want to save this file. So I'm going to save it over here. I'm going to rename this file, let's say without password. Okay, then save. Now it's done. Now if we go to that particular location, like it was this PC and document, as you can see, it's saying without password. So now we are going to open it. I'm going to open it with Chrome, and you can see the password is removed. So this is a simple way you can remove any password from a PDF file. So if you find this video any helpful, or you learned anything from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you.